What's going on, guys? It's Jeffrey back with another daily analysis video, and today is April 9th, Monday, and let's go over dollar index. So if you watched yesterday's weekly outlook video, then basically I marked up the charts with you guys, and I said we are either going to look to take this out and then trade lower, or immediately start trading lower since market open on Sunday. And you can see that this was support previously, right? And we know that because we've seen buy in there. We came back basically, right to it, a little shy of it, and then started trading higher again. Well, once we've basically found resistance here and traded into this level again, we're starting to see some support, which is also coupled with this ICT bullish order block right here. So I'm waiting for a clean break below this, and then once we get that, then we should see a retest and then continue prices lower. Alright, but really until we're still in that range, so it's hard to get a feel for what they're doing when the dollar index is in such a tight range like this. So really until we get a break above on the daily time frame, until we get a break above this high here or a break below really this key low, that's going to really determine the next trending move that's going to happen. And from the looks of it so far, it looks as though we want to continue lower and keep this high in place. So we'll just have to see what we get with that. If dollar index does continue lower, then we should see higher foreign currency. So that would mean higher euro and higher cable. So yesterday I took a small position right around market open, and normally I don't trade on Sundays or Mondays, but I just took it to basically illustrate that you can still trade those days, but it's just not as high probability, so I only used a fourth of my normal position size. So I'm still in. I closed out, I put on 5 minis and I closed out 4 minis, so I still have 1 mini on, and I entered about right here, so I'm still up about 38 pips or so on that. So I am still expecting higher prices on euro dollar. However, we may get a retracement back into this down candle here. So just as time goes on, you can basically enter as an order block is forming because you know what the price action looks like. And that's basically all that happened yesterday for me, as I was entering based on the order block forming before it was actually broken, which confirms that it's a bullish order block. You can enter prior to that if you basically understand what's unfolding in price action. So I'm looking for a retest possibly back into this level and then continued higher prices, targeting each swing high. Okay, and then ultimately my target is 125, those daily highs, which comes in up here. Okay, and dollar CAD, we did see a significant sell-off. I said in yesterday's video I was looking for 128, and we traded up right into the high came in at 128.18, so about 20 pips past the objective I was looking for, but we've had a 120 pip sell-off since then. So I still expect massive downside for this pair, but we really can't get on board until we see a retracement higher. So currently we're sitting in this ICT bullish order block, and once we get this push below it, a retest of it here, and then again we're expected to continue lower prices, targeting each swing low from there. So tonight, going into London, I am going to be looking for this pair in particular to trade up. I'd really like if we can get a move back up into this down candle here, and the low comes in at 127.66 on this broker that I'm using, which is Jrod4x. So let me actually set an alert there. 2766. Alright. So that's what I'll be looking for going forward for dollar CAD and euro. And again, those are my two favorite setups for the week. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's video and keep you posted in the Telegram. Take it easy.